Fantastic.
Amazing beyond amazing.
Hey guys, Eric here. We're down here in Oceanside today. Beautiful day, it's overcast. There's a lot of surfers out today. People are walking around. There's a lot of beachgoers. People fishing off the pier. A lot of family activity happening today. We're gonna find a really cool spot to either eat breakfast or lunch. Let's go take a look. So I'm at Harbor House Cafe. Some locals down at the pier recommended it, so I'm gonna check it out. Let's go. Pretty good, man. Yeah, you know me, I usually do espresso and like lattes a lot. But this is just, I'm drinking it black with some raw cane sugar.
Good,
pretty good.
Good diner coffee?
It's pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's real perky.
If it's homemade chili, you at least have to consider that.
House cooked brisket over chili.
Yeah.
What's more
What they need is
home cooked chili or brisket?
I'll do the short rib.
Braised Benedict.
Yeah, that sounds fantastic.
Perfect. Flight. This is the guava, the pineapple, the pomegranate, and the peach.
Okay.
All right?
Cool.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Very
Yeah. Here's that short rib Benedict.
Woo!
Nice. The corned beef hash. Here's the Huevos rancheros with
Yeah.
black beans.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
How's the seasoning on that?
Seasoning is great, but I'm throwing that on there.
How's everything tasting?
Amazing beyond
Good?
amazing.
Okay. Awesome. Glad to hear it.
The house chili is fantastic.
Show me how much you loved it. Whoa!
It's teaching you patience right here.
Woo! How are we feeling about that?
Warm and toasty. Crack cocaine for a fat guy.
Pretty good. A little dry though. You definitely want you want to drink coffee with coffee cake.
Yeah.
For sure. So my final thoughts about Harbor Cafe is I'm impressed. The menu, it was pretty lengthy. It was full, a lot of options. I got the corned beef hash with their house brisket. It was amazing. The boys had short rib, eggs Benedict, and Huevos rancheros. All in all, the ingredients tasted very fresh. Their house salsa is homemade, no cans, nothing. It's straight like home cooking. That's what it felt like to me. The service is great. Paula, our waitress, amazing, super friendly, very accommodating. So, as you guys noticed, we're sitting outside. We chose to dine outside, but the inside's really cool. It's kind of quirky, nautical, kind of old school diner, but has this beach feel to it. It's really interesting decor. When you guys come here, check it out. You'll see for yourself. Another really cool thing is they have what I would consider craft hot sauces. I mean, as you see, we've got the pepper plant. We've got really cool stuff like this. You know, shout out to these companies, but these are really, really good. We also got a flight of mimosas. They were really, really good mimosas. On the way in, I noticed a really, really cool spot for coffee that we're gonna stop by and get. It's really sentimental, means a lot to me. I'll tell you when we get there.
you got here?
Any of that.
Dude, we got some Dutch Bros. I got a white chocolate mocha freeze. Should be good. So this is a spot that I want to take you guys to. Nothing fancy, but good old Dutch Bros. It's a Southern Oregon staple. Kind of sentimental to me. I used to live in Southern Oregon. But it's good spot. Real refreshing. If you like coffee, it's a place to go. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today, having breakfast, checking out some local spots. Oceanside's a cool place to hang out. If you're in the San Diego area, stop by, give them some love. It's easy to follow San Diego. It's a bigger spot, but Oceanside's cool. Cool vibe, great restaurants, cool people. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.